my dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So today let we start GK Unit 4, Our Country India, Chapter number 22, Places of Worship. So let we start. India is a secular country. This means people are free to practice any religion. So name the different places of worship in the spaces provided below, taking help from the clue box. So here are the places and write the name according the clue box. So number 1, Hindu go to worship in a temple. Number 2, Christians go to worship in a church. Number 3, Jains go to worship in a Jain temple. Number 4, Muslims go to worship in a mosque. Number 5, Buddhists go to worship in a vihara. Number 6, Parsis go to worship in a fire temple. Number 7, Sikhs go to worship in a gurudwara. Number 8, Jews go to worship in synagogues. Okay, so these are the places where people go to worship. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 23. Different states, different clothes. India is a very large country. Different parts of India have different climates. People speak different languages and wear different clothes. So identify the people wearing different dresses and write the names of their states. So take help from the clue box. So let me start. First one is, this is Rajasthani look. Rajasthan. Number 2, Kerala. Number 3, Punjab. Next, number 4, West Bengal. Next, number 5 is Mizoram. Now the last one, number 6, Tamil Nadu. This So these are the clothes where the people wear to it. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24. Languages of India. India is a land of many cultures, traditions, and languages. People in different states speak different languages, so yet we are united as one nation. So, students write the languages spoken in the states given below. So, let me start. 1. Number 1, Punjab. Language is Punjabi. Number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Language is Hindi. Number 3, State Kerala, and language is Malayalam. Number 4, State Assam, and the language is Assamese. Number 5, State Tamil Nadu, and language is Tamil. Next, number 6, State West Bengal, and language is Bengali. And the last one, number 7, State is Gujarat, and language Gujarati. Okay, students, these are the states and their language. So, students, this chapter is end here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 25. Famous foods of India. Indian food is different from the rest of the world. It is not only delicious but also nutritious. It reflects a perfect blend of various cultures too. Indian cuisine is better known for its spiciness. Okay, so below is a list of a few Indian states and their special dishes, so match them. Now, let me start. First one is Kaladi cheese. This is Kaladi cheese. 1. Jammu Kashmir. E. Jammu Kashmir. Number 2, Masala dosa. C. Tamil Nadu. Number 3, Dhokla, Gujarat. Number 4, मक्के की रोटी एंड सरसों दा साग, पंजाब. B. Number 5, litti and chokha, Bihar. Option J. Number 6, dal bati and churma, Rajasthan. Option H. Number 7, vada pav, Maharashtra. Option D. Number 8, Rasogulla, West Bengal. Option I. 9, Biryani. Option G, Andhra Pradesh. And the last one, Fakshap. Option F, Sikkim. Okay, so these are the countries and their tasty foods. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 26. Historical monuments. Let us take a tour of India and visit some of the beautiful temples, places, and monuments. So, do you know what they are called? Choose your answers from the clue box. Okay, so let me start. This temple in Amritsar is the most sacred temple of the Sikhs, Golden Temple. Number two, this first famous monument is in Delhi, India Gate. Next, number three, this Hindu temple is in Madurai, Meenakshi Temple. Number four, it is a beautiful palace in Jaipur known as the Palace of Winds, Hawa Mahal. Number five, this huge gateway situated near Agra where the Taj Mahal is. This is Buland Darwaja. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 27. 27 is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. It has many places of interest. Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Akshardham Mandir are some of them. So complete the following sentences about New Delhi by filling in the blank spaces. Initial letters are given for your help. Number 1. Delhi is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. Number 2. The Prime Minister of India addresses the nation on Independence Day from the Red Fort. Number 3. Qutub Minar, the tallest minaret in India, is in Delhi. Number 4. The Republic Day procession marches down the Rajpath. The Republic Day procession marches down the Rajpath. Number 5. Number 5. The Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is at Rajghat. Number 6. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Number 7. The Supreme Court, the highest court of justice in India, is in Delhi. Number 8. Akshardham is a Hindu mandir and a spiritual cultural campus in New Delhi. Akshardham. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 28. Our freedom fighters. The British ruled over India for nearly 200 years. India began to fight for freedom in 1857 and became free in 1947. So, pictures and descriptions of some of our great freedom fighters are given below. Write their names with the help of the given clue box. The first one is he was a great leader of India. He founded Azad Hind Force. He is also known as Netaji. So he is Subhash Chandra Bose. Number two, she was the Queen of Jhansi. She fought bravely with the British Army and died on the battlefield. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Number three, he was an Indian revolutionary popularly known as Azad. He attended martyrdom in Alfred Park in Allahabad on 27 February 1931. Chandrasekhar Azad. Number four, he was the great freedom fighter of India. He gave the slogan Swaraj is my bright right यानी कि स्वराज हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है. So he is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Number five, he is chiefly remembered as a leader in the Indian independence movement. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. His death anniversary 17 November is observed as Martyrs Day in India. So his name is Lala Lajpat Rai. Number six, he was hanged to death by the British on 31st March 1931. He is known as Shaheed-e-Azam, Bhagat Singh. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 29. Calendar, calendar of celebrations. Each festival falls in a specific month of the year. Check out the months from the given clue box for the following festivals. Okay, so let we start. Number one, we celebrate our Independence Day in August. Number two, we celebrate our Republic Day in January. Number three, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti in October. Number four, we celebrate Chacha Nehru's birthday in November. 14 November. Number 5, we celebrate Teachers' Day in September. Number 6, we celebrate Christmas in December. Number 7, we celebrate Mother's Day in May. Okay? So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. Some important days. Write the dates of the following important days using the clue box for help. Okay. Number 1, International Literacy Day, 8th September. Number 2, World Health Day. So, date is 7th April. Okay. Now, next, number 3, International Women's Day, 8th March. Number 4, Teachers' Day, 5th September. Number 5, Earth Day, 22nd April. Number 6, Father's Day. Father's Day is 3rd Sunday of June. Number 7, Fool's Day, 1st April. Number 8, 2nd Sunday of May. Okay. These are the important days. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 31. The 3 metros. A very long city, which is often the capital of a state or regions, is called a metropolis or metro in short. More people live in metros than in towns or villages. The 4 oldest metropolises of India are Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Okay, so read the clusters of words given below for each cluster and write down the name of the metro it is related to. Vada Pav, Gateway of India, local trains. Mumbai. Number 2, Akshay Kumar, Qutub Minar, Metro Rail, Delhi. Number 3, Rasgulla Victoria Memorial, Kolkata. Okay. Now question B. Tick right the correct answer. 1. In which part of India is Delhi located? North. Number 2. Which river flows through Delhi? Yamuna. Number 3. After whom is the airport in Delhi named? Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Number 4. What is the place of the heart of Delhi known as? Connaught Place. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.